Okay, go!
Where did he get it?
C5! We're gonna die! Fire alarm! This is amazing. Fire alarm! Don't lie. Just real. I know. My school blowing up. Fuck, I'm going in here. I am. Fire alarm, this is amazing. Sarah. Sarah.
What, you'd be able to throw Man, listen, you know what to do it, then you'd be able to throw like world's most amazing video.
Okay, come on, let's go. Why are they hitting that? Throw back, hit him where the bloody is. Go guys. Right, grab, where's your head? This is amazing. They could be coming after us. Coming to town. Yeah. I'm going to quarter until it blows up. Ah, they're like that. What smashed? Oh, they got chips. I'm recording. This is amazing. I'm putting this on YouTube. The wind is now. Sarah's hair extensions are about to fall out. It was a dance laugh.
Rolling our hair. What are you doing?
Do it again.
I'm back. I know, I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, it's amazing. You will hopefully survive. Sure. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. Say goodbye. We're good.